into this wig. Get into this wig. I didn't pluck it or anything. It came pre-plucked right out the box and bleach. Do this bad boy on, and it's so cute. It's simple, but it's so cute. It's like an everyday wig. I love the construction of the wig, y'all. If it was up to me to buy a wig, I would definitely buy a wig from here. Like, honestly, this wig is bomb. I'm gonna have no complaints. You can customize it the way you like, but it already comes custom, y'all. So y'all don't have to do nothing but take it out the box and put it on. And I actually like it. So don't forget to go check them out in the description bar below. Tell me what y'all think. But until then, let's get into this tutorial. Alright, you guys, so let's get into the unboxing of Royalme hair. Look at the packaging. Sleek, a ribbon on it, all white, bomb. Now let's get into the box. So what's inside the box is a wig, 2 clips, and it was just like weird rubber band thing. I don't know, but it probably wasn't nothing. So I threw in the garbage. They didn't give much in the box like they would give wigs and stuff. So I was surprised about that because, I mean, not wigs, the wig caps. I was so surprised about that because most of the time they do. Now let's get into the wig because that's what we're concerned about. So this wig, I will leave all details and specs in the description bar below. But this wig is the most realistic wig that I got so far, y'all. As far as it has a cap in it already, so that's probably why they didn't provide a cap for me to put on my head, because it's already one in there. The lace is bleached and it looks like it matches my skin tone perfect, but I am going to go ahead and add some lace tint to the lace part where I'm going to have to cut just so that it can blend in perfectly. So this is before I put any lace tint or anything on it. I was just showing you how the wig look. Now my mom already mowed my hair off camera. Girl, you don't really need to. All you gotta do is slick your hair in a ponytail, because this wig, like I said, all you have to do is take it out the package and put it right on. The construction inside the wig is bomb, and I'm going to follow that for my wigs for now on, because what happened is they have the bands on the wig and it has the claps, and the wig fits so perfect to my hair size that I really didn't need to basically tie the knot, the clamps in the back of it. So I think this is a size 22 wig cap. Like I said, all specs will be in the description right below, so don't forget to go check them out if you are willing to buy a wig that is in the box ready to go when you want it to be on your head, okay, and you don't have to do any process to it. So what she's doing now is taking my bow hold and she's just basically placing on the head like you would do any lace front, y'all. And she added 3 coats so that this wig can stick. Now I will honestly go back in and pluck just a little bit more of the wig because I like that natural hairline. Everybody's hairline is not that full, baby. Mine is not, and I stand for the bald head girls, okay? I want to keep saying this because I am bald headed. But she's basically pressing the hair back and pressing the lace into the skin, y'all. So I did go ahead and add tint. I don't know why I didn't show that part, but I did add tint off camera. It's a tint from a company, but y'all, when I say this wig looks so realistic, it really did. Like, this is a everyday wig. And my mom did go ahead and split the middle of this, so when she starts to cut, she can go from each side and cut it off. Let's get into this wig, y'all. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Yes. So like I said, you can pluck it some more if you want to make it look a little bit more realistic, and I think I might go back in and do so. But for it to be just out of the box, it looks really good. What my mom is doing is putting Nairobi mousse on top of my head so that so that the wig can lay flat, like it is coming out my head, like I had a sewing done or something. And she's going to put wraps on it and send me under the dryer for about 15 minutes. After we let it under the dryer for about 15 minutes, she's going to now take the lace off and she's going to zigzag motions. I was trying to record so that y'all can really see, you know, her taking the lace off, but I think I got some footage, I don't know. But look at that side. It looks so good, look like it's coming out my scalp, y'all. Y'all see that? I like this wig, it's so pretty. The hair fits really good and soft. Like it was some good hair on there. I wore the hair for like 2 days and it did get a little bit tangled, but other than that, flat iron it and go about your day. Now this part right here is going to be your best friend, okay? Get a hot comb, I don't care what it is. You gonna always, if you ain't got the Nairobi mousse or anything to put on your head, a hot comb is gonna be beneficial because this is what's gonna make your wig on the top want to be looking wiggy, flat. So you see this, the difference between that side and then the other side? That's gonna make your wig on top flat. Like, baby, what lace, what wig? None. This is Sony, baby. But yeah, that's what's gonna make your wig look bomb, y'all. So she just basically hot combed the top of my head so that everything can lay perfectly. Oh, hey y'all see that? Hey, so this is how long the wig is. This is where the wig reaches, but me, I wanted an even cut. So what we did was basically cut the hair. Look how wavy and soft it looks. So what she's going to do is she's going to cut the hair and make it into an even cut, and that's what I wanted. So she's just going to cut and then go from that guide to cut the rest of the hair. So the last thing to do to this wig to get it perfectly okay, I'm on the way to do a makeup tutorial and get up out of here, is to flat iron it. You can curl it or flat iron it, but since it was already straight, we went with the flat iron. She's going to flat iron my whole head, and that is it, y'all. This wig, like, look at that wig. Look at that lace part. Don't it look really natural? Like my hairline or something? Y'all don't forget to go check them out. Y'all have to check them out. Don't forget to click in the description right below to go check out Royalme hair. All the specs on this hair, all the details, what inch it is, what color it is, and the wig cap and size will definitely be in the description right below. So until then, I'll see you guys on my next hair video.